Hey, Bobby.
Hey, Scott.
What are you doing?
I see Danny's pump.
Can't see that. Can't see that. Oh, yes, you can.
Anyway, here's the pump. Here's our leaky hose. I hate it when the hose is leaky.
Right?
But this is the side it blew out on.
Yeah.
Scotty's gonna pull out
Yeah, that's
the sides.
Yep.
You don't pull out.
So I'll pull everything out for the sides, pull the lines out.
Check the lines over, find all our failure points. You might have to unbolt it here just to get to that.
Yeah, it's very possible. I don't know as of yet.
But just keep track of everything.
Oh, yeah.
But it's pretty straightforward from here. I'm stuck. So.
Danny, he's stuck. Did you want to have your way with him?
Wait! That's extra!
Oh, that's not what your OnlyFans page says.
I need to make one of those. Anyway.
Skanky bears are us.
Would I be considered the forbidden fruit? Because I'm the straight guy that's a bear that everybody's like, ooh, he's hot, but yeah, you have no chance, sorry.
I think that would pretty
Am
much
I
be
forbidden
considered it,
fruit?
yeah.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Okay, so
Somebody wants me.
I'm going to get Bobby out of here so I can do some cleaning and
Are
some
you sure
scrubbing.
about that? You might have to drag me. You told him about this,
Yes, we did that in the previous video, so he saw that. I got some cleaning to do. I got to take the seatbelts out and
that makes me sad.
scrub that one up.
Hey, Victor.
So,
I'm stuck right now. If you want a good laugh, this is a good time. Victor's like, I'm out. Bobby's waiting for the back seat. I ain't dealing with that shit.
all right, so what do we say, Bobby?
I'm stuck and this hurts.
And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. So we got the seatbelts out. And here's the one. Now you can see exactly how bad this thing is. So I'm going to try my best to see if I can't clean that up and scrub it so that it can be salvageable. If not, we'll have to talk about trying to get new ones for the back. And this one is just as bad. Well, not as bad as the strap itself, but I've got some cleaning to do. And I'll restore the plates on the nuts, clean them up, fix the threads, and make them look pretty again, or as close as I can get them. So, okay guys, we'll keep you updated.